How to check last seen on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check last seen on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the DM icon shown in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the DM section, you can simply scroll through the chat. And there, under each username, you may see the status like active now, active 5 hours ago, active 2 days ago as well. And if you don't see any activity status, it usually means that the feature is turned off, either by you or by the other person. And to see all the last seen, make sure that your activity status is turned on settings. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.